You're right, love, it's Holly here from Specscart, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to place an order on our website. This is a super easy process and you'll have your glasses delivered to your doorstep in no time. Let's get into it. So you want to start by navigating to the website and having a browse and looking at some of the frames that you love. When you're on the product page, you can click filter in the top right corner and narrow down your search by brand, offer, price, style, type of frame, material, colour, size, and more to refine your search and find the perfect frames. Once you've found a frame that you love, click on the product for more information on the dimensions, materials, style and size of the frames that you've selected. Once you're happy with your choice, click Buy and select lenses. Then you'll be taken to the order process page where you choose your lens type, followed by lens coating, and then you choose which lens package you'd like to go for, basic, thin or ultra thin, and then you'll need to upload some details of your prescription. So you can either input your prescription, upload a picture of your prescription, or email it to us at a later time. You'll also need to know your pupillatory distance. You can either select from the drop-down menu or choose an average if you're not sure. However, we do have a really helpful video on how to find your pupillatory distance, which we will link in this video. Now you've entered all of your relevant lens information, you'll be directed to an overview of your order, and then you'll need to click Proceed to Checkout. During the checkout process, you'll need to enter your billing address and your shipping address, and then choose your preferred payment method, and then you'll have everything that you need to place your order with Specscart. And it's that easy. If you've got any questions or concerns, then please reach out to our customer service team or drop a comment below. And we'd really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, bye!